Abusuafo is a week of games our Baba Sports Stadium. Kumasa Sante Kotoko ni Nations FC game no. Baso ye FA Cup yenti na enhye so. Baso week mu ya na Kotoko net Monday o may training back up because of games I tata so our Baba Sports Stadium this week. No nim say media ma home venue mo de bebo omo African Champions League game. No baso Baba Sports Stadium date near that by Mary Bro Ewufia Ghana Premier League match day 12 no echo so Kumasi Asante Kotoko as usual you share na jump here pa edi yakoto a very respectable place Ghana Premier League no emun sensem player Kotoko dynamic player because it's Kotoko team no on the country Kotoko team no so we fit no jinema. I don't remember the last time I Kotoko lose here. Richmond Lamptey no wasem wa ha me dey bro. Richmond Lamptey concerning knock kakra bi unyai. But I no pay report I may picking say Richmond Lamptey game no obetimi abo. Enye serious adibia. No wasem kakra e wa ha me dey bro on Super 24 TV. No so pacho a high Super 24 TV. On subscribe ya wadarma. No I hit the rest subscribe button no so. No abo adoma no so ama me na build the house no together. We bet my follow social media handle Super 24 TV or Facebook and a Kumasi Blogman or Instagram na yeduka subum ho Ghana Premier League matches no so na say na koye Kumasi Asante Kotoko share Legon Cities by 3-1 and a Nations FC etna fie ewini against Kyei'S United by 1-0. Accra so folk ne brekum Chelsea game no 1-1 and a Samates eche RTU Piano 2-1. Insuatremine ne Accra Heart of Lions and Heart of Lions no 0-0 and a Aduana Stars etna fie elusu to Accra Lions by 1-0. Na games we Bechem United any baby any Go Stars no postponed to 27th. Yes, and a side game no so and these games you postponed. Bechem United game no ne money baby any but Dreams FC edible for quarter no postponed and a media Champions League ball and a Great Olympics and also postponed and on the na say we Ghana Premier League table na say na Diana 21 points or that first and Insuatreman also 21 points or that first and a third position on FC Samates also 20 points. Fourth position on Brekum Chelsea or no Ekra 20 points and a fifth position Nations FC a jumpy up at that fifth position with 17 points and Kumasi Asante Kotoko no across folk I would sixth position or also Ekra 16 points or the sixth position. But Kumasi Asante Kotoko nini now with the same points. Kotoko that 7 or 16 points. And you go difference bini at the ade and has the Daumanim. So and Accra Great Olympics and so cra 16 positions or that Kotoko with 8 points and a 9th position here for quarter and also 16 points. And 10th position Bechem United also 16 points. Media Mansu was 16 points the 11th. Accra Lions FC for also 16 points. Let us 16 atata so papa sanet ye do here as your partner Legon Cities 16 at the 16th position or no cra 12 points. Baby any Go Stars cra and also 11 points on the 17th position and the Hearts of Lions FC cra 8 points and also that last position which is the 18th position. It will the Heart of Lions the one the relegation komuno oya confirm it because 8 points there are no extra. So that's how the league table currently Kotoko was 7th position with 16 points and Adriana who lead the league table no 21 points. We and it's a new 6 points crowd. Points gap na Adriana out that first so did the lead Kumasi Asante Kotoko no. Let's state it on record. Adriana was 21 points and Kotoko 16 points. So it is about 5 points difference if my mathematics is right now. Because 16 position, 16 points and 21 points. No difference my of 5. The mass in Yenzo and correct me. Sana etio. So maybe I still have the firm conviction that Yeke nyoma ya league ni betimi age this season Kumasi Asante Kotoko. What news from Kumasi Asante Kotoko camp ne chese Kotoko be training ene ba kope. Na ye workaholic player team no or control team no Richmond Lamptey unya knock kakra but information na anope me pick chese no ho edin on shedanye rigid training and nebiasa but games against Nations FC or FA Cup and also about so Babaya Sports Stadium. Dreams FC on also game or in the Confederation Cup and Ebeba so Babaya Sports Stadium. And a mediama so Friday on also on team way on XR Belouizdad and Ebebo or Babaya Sports Stadium. Friday a holiday mummy and co but FA Cup game they think say a midweek ya and a basu Kumasi Asante Kotoko and Nations FC. Yes, no the woman no. Na enra mediama for a pom game no and information about say mediama player friend no Jonathan Sowah alali for no I put in request to munya na omope. But mediama reply or mediama say for now omo hel omo next game nti omo edele with omo next game ni we are ometena se nkomodie bi e wonu hu bia omo so be cool to figure because sika de very important so obenya kwa na okọ so mediama player Jonathan Sowah have done the first game against El Alifono hu bibi wonu mu it tells you about being in the Champions League now bona oboniye otumfo nyankopon ema ye ntiase Kumasi Asante Kotoko win against Lagos City's no reaction ni ade nyina no ewa ha in the next video make it come boom na media bro on Super 2040 go subscribe ya wadara man no hit the rest subscribe at no about man so information we are say nyomo ekoso